Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with our previous topic that we have already discussing, that is a reproductive health, and in that topic now we are going to proceed with the subtopic that is a medical termination of pregnancy, and it is known as the MTPs, and this is the Amendment Act 2017. It was enacted by the Government of India with the intention of reducing the incidence of illegal abortion and consequent maternal mortality and morbidity. ये बेसिकली गवर्नमेंट ने दिया था ये एक्ट 2017 में, जिसमें बेसिकली इस चीज पे रोक लगाई गई थी कि मेडिकली जो प्रेगनेंसी टर्मिनेट की जाती है, दैट इज एबॉर्शन, उसको रोका जा सके। जब तक डॉक्टर की एडवाइस ना हो तब तक एबॉर्शन नहीं होगा। ठीक है, सो ऐसा क्यों किया गया? बिकॉज इट हैज बीन ऑब्जर्व दैट ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ एबॉर्शन few of the females died during that procedure। तो मोर्टालिटी रेट को बढ़ाने के लिए, मॉर्बिडिटी को बढ़ाने के लिए ये एक्ट लॉन्च किया गया। एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस एक्ट, अ प्रेगनेंसी मे बी टर्मिनेटेड ऑन सर्टेन कंसीडर ग्राउंड्स विदिन द फर्स्ट 12 वीक्स ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी। तो प्रेगनेंसी के बिगनिंग के जो 12 हफ्ते होते हैं, 12 वीक्स, उसी में अगर जरूरत पड़ती है, इफ द ग्रोथ ऑफ द चाइल्ड इज नॉट प्रॉपर, then only it need to be terminated, that too with the advice of the medical practitioners। Okay, if the pregnancy has lasted more than 12 weeks but fewer than 24 weeks, अगर वो 12 weeks के ऊपर जा चुकी है but still 24 weeks के अंदर है, two registered medical practitioners must be of द ओपिनियन। तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? अगर 12 वीक्स के ऊपर जा चुकी है और 24 वीक्स के अंदर है, इफ देयर इज सम कॉम्प्लिकेशन, लाइक देयर इज अ heart beat sometime is not there, sometime the body growth is irregular, sometime the unborn child is not getting the weight, it may be the several issues, so that time if it is beyond the 12 weeks, then it need to be aborted with the help of the advice of two medical practitioners। Okay, and it must be of the opinion formed in the good faith that the required ground exists। The ground for such termination of pregnancies are, किस आधार पे की जा सकती है? Let's see। Number one, the continuation of the pregnancy would involve a risk to the life of the pregnant woman। अगर उस प्रेगनेंसी को कंटिन्यू किया गया तो उसकी प्रॉब्लम, उसकी वजह से जो प्रॉब्लम है वो मदर को हो सकती है। इस टर्म पे प्रेगनेंसी अबॉर्ट की जा सकती है। ठीक है, और ऑफ ग्रेव इंजरी, फिजिकल और मेंटल हेल्थ, किसी भी तरीके का अगर मदर को लॉस है तो प्रेगनेंसी टर्मिनेट की जाएगी। देयर इज अ सब्सटेंशियल रिस्क दैट ऑफ द चाइल्ड वर बोर्न इट वुड सफर फ्रॉम सच फिजिकल और मेंटल एबनॉर्मलिटीज, या फिर कोई ऐसा जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर या फिर ऐसा कुछ मेंटल डिसऑर्डर, कुछ फिजिकल एबनॉर्मलिटी ऑब्जर्व की जाती है, देन ओनली इट नीड टू बी टर्मिनेटेड एज टू बी द सीरियस हैंडीकैप। अगर ऐसा कुछ ट्रेस हो जाता है अल्ट्रासाउंड में, सोनोग्राफी में, देन वट एवर द अनबॉर्न चाइल्ड इज देयर, इफ इट इज हैविंग एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ एबनॉर्मलिटी, इट नीड टू बी aborted। Okay, so this was the introductory part of the MTPs। So here, intentional or voluntary termination। Intention मतलब कि some sort of the act which is taken after a decision that it need to be terminated, or the sort of voluntary जो कि अपनी इच्छा से किया गया है, of the pregnancy before full term is called medical termination of the pregnancy or induced abortion। Nearly 45 to 50 million MTPs are performed in a year all over the world, which accounts to one-fifth of the total number of conceived pregnancy in a year। Total number of pregnancy का लगभग 1/5 पार्ट जो है वो टर्मिनेट कर दिया जाता है। Whether to accept legalized MTP, उसमें लीगलाइज भी है, अनलीगल भी है, और नॉट इज बीइंग डिबेटेड अपॉन इन मेनी कंट्रीज ड्यू टू इमोशनल, एथिकल, रिलीजियस एंड सोशल इश्यूज इन्वॉल्व इन इट। इसमें कई सारे इश्यूज इन्वॉल्व है, इसलिए उसके ऊपर कोई डिबेट नहीं है कि ऐसा क्यों किया जा रहा है, बट some of the pregnancies which are getting aborted are illegal also। Government of India legalized MTP in 1971 with some strict condition to avoid its misuse. इसका मिसयूज ना हो इसलिए कुछ गवर्नमेंट ने कंडीशंस अप्लाई करी हैं, जैसे कि रिस्ट्रिक्शन लगाए गए हैं कुछ. सच रिस्ट्रिक्शंस आर ऑल द मोर इम्पोर्टेंट टू चेक इनडिस्क्रिमिनेट एंड इलीगल फीमेल फीटिसाइड. इसका सबसे ज्यादा फायदा people are taking, the reason is there. Some of the people doesn't want female child to be born in their families, they want male child. So what they are doing during this medical termination and all that, they are trying to know the sex of the child so that they can terminate the female child. This is what is the illegal use of this one. Why MTP? Obvious. The answer is to get rid of unwanted pregnancy. तो MTP क्या है? बेसिकली अनवांटेड प्रेगनेंसी को हटाने का एक तरीका. इधर ड्यू टू कॉजल unprotected intercourse, उसका रीजन क्या हो सकता है? The reason may be the couple has not taken any sort of contraceptive device, or they have gone for the unprotected intercourse, or sometimes it may be the failure of the contraceptive used during coitus or rape. या फिर ये भी हो सकता है कि the contraceptive has been used but it got failed. Okay, so MTPs are also essential in certain cases where continuation of pregnancy could be harmful. और MTP वहाँ पे भी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है जहाँ पर कुछ उसका साइड इफेक्ट या फिर उससे कुछ प्रॉब्लम आने वाली हो उस मदर को या फिर अनबॉर्न चाइल्ड को. It could be harmful or even fatal either to the mother or to the fetus, or maybe the both. MTPs are considered relatively safe during the first trimester. तो initial trimester में MTP के लिए जाना safe है, not after that one. That is up to 12 weeks of pregnancy. Then when the second trimester, मतलब second trimester यानी कि third, like fourth, fifth and sixth month, that is the second trimester. First trimester means first, second, third, then fourth, fifth, sixth, second trimester, and the last phase is the third trimester. ठीक है, third trimester में क्या आएगा? 7, 8, 9. Okay, so second trimester abortion are much more riskier. One disturbing trend observed is that the majority of the MTPs are performed illegally by unqualified quacks. But it has been observed that people are not taking the help of the medical practitioners, and they are going for the people, those who are not having any sort of authorized, or the legal people are not there so as to do the procedure of this MTP. They are moving to unqualified quacks, and which are not only used unsafe but could be fatal too. तो ऐसे जो लोग जो इस चीज़ को करना नहीं जानते, उनके पास जाकर के अगर MTPs करवाई जाए, मेडिकल प्रैक्टिस नहीं है, if in between during doing the process of termination of the pregnancy, if there will be any sort of complication, then the doctor can handle. But the people, those who are not doctor, those who are the unqualified quacks, they can't handle that problem. Okay, so it should not be done. Another dangerous trend is the misuse of amniocentesis. Amniocentesis itself is a process in which amniotic fluid or the cells of the unborn fetus is taken out, and it is checked that whether uh, the sex of the child is male or female, and if it is a female, then most of the people used to terminate that pregnancy. Okay, so amniosis to determine the sex of the unborn child. Now, frequently, if the fetus is found to be female, then it is followed by MTP. That is totally against what is legal. That is illegal act. Okay, so that is the reason MTP should not be done if it's not required, or if it is not suggested by the medical practitioners. Such practices should be avoided because these are dangerous both for the young mother and the fetus. तो young mother और fetus दोनों के ही जान के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा खतरा हो सकता है. Effective counseling on the need to avoid unprotected coitus and the risk factor involved in illegal abortion, as well as प्रोवाइडिंग मोर हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटीज could reverse the mentioned unhealthy trend. तो इसके लिए क्या किया जाना चाहिए? कपल्स की काउंसलिंग करनी चाहिए कि अनप्रोटेक्टेड क्वाइटस यानी कि मीटिंग नहीं करनी चाहिए. दे शुड गो फॉर the use of the contraceptive devices, whatever devices is suitable for them, and there is a sort of health issues also which are related to the mother and the fetus. That is the reason they should not take risk for their life. Okay, and other healthcare facilities are also there so as to take care of them. So they should know each and everything instead of going for this medical termination of the pregnancy. Okay, so this much is there for today, and next video we will be going for the sexually transmitted infections or diseases.